Hello everyone. Today we will learn about a few and a little. The use of a few and a little also depends on whether the accompanying noun is countable or uncountable. A few is used with countable nouns, a little accompanies uncountable things or persons. A few. We used a few with countable nouns. And a little. We used a little with uncountable nouns. We must know what are countable and uncountable nouns. Countable: dogs, bottles, carrots. Uncountable: milk, love, tea. Let's take some examples. A few. First example. Can you get me a few books? Books are countable here. Second example. There are a few friends at the party. Friends are countable here. Third example. He gave us a few ideas. Ideas are countable here. Fourth example. We have a few problems. Problems are countable here. A little. First example. Have you got a little more time? Time is uncountable here. Second example. May I have a little milk for my tea? Milk is uncountable here. Third example. The city has a little pollution. Pollution is uncountable here. Fourth example. You're going a little fast. Going a little fast is uncountable. Summary. A few is used with countable nouns. A little is used with uncountable nouns. Homework. Can you please buy apples? We need water. I have money left. I take sugar with my coffee. You have time left. There are chairs in the room.